Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Yes, today I am at Central Changwattana, and I've heard that down in the basement they do a Giant Pad Krapow. And you know that Pad Krapow is my favourite dish, so we're gonna have to go and check this out, guys. Come on, let's go. Okay, so this is the place. I've done a video down here before. It was a long time ago. First of all, we need to go change some money. So over this way we have the exchange point. Got some great food in there. I noticed another restaurant when I was down there. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me eat this one. This is it's Korean, I think, or Japanese. Yeah, that looks alright. I'm not going to do that today. We're going to head over that way. Okay, so there it is. 100 baht. Let's see what we can get for 100 baht. Okay, I found it straight away. What I'll do, I'll take you on a tour at the end of the video. But now we're gonna look at that. Okay, need towel eye?
75 ครับ
Huh?
75ครับ
Jet.
75
Make it a song kai dao. Okay. So the total of that has come to 85 baht. If it's big, it should be for 85. There's cooking in the back there. All your vegetables. We're going to sit over there. Okay, and there it is. Not giant, but it's not bad for 85 baht. That is a lot of rice as well. Alright man, what we have to do is the egg test. Whoa, not running. About this one. Yes, there we go. Nice runny egg. Hot dog was cold, but for 85 baht, yeah, this is really good for 85. It's actually really good. Probably enough for 2 people, eh? I don't know why they put those sausage hot dog things on it. They really don't need that. It's fine just how it is. I'm getting full now. I still have quite a lot left. We do go for a drink after this. Tell you what, that was really good, but I can't eat anymore. Gonna have to leave that bit. But that was really good. And if you're in the shopping mall here or any of them, you can check out the food courts. That's some really good deals. And they're all less than 100 baht most of the time. Anyway, let's go and get this drink. Okay, I'll take you for a little tour first. Here we go. That's the one I just had. Over here is the pork. There's cacao moo and things like that in there.
สั่งได้ค่ะ
Right, wow. Some noodles over there. Seafood noodles. Guess that's kind of Isan food over here. There's some done.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Chicken and rice. These are like omelettes, maybe with oysters.
ใส่ได้นะคะ
Look at that, that's a big one. Huh? This looks good. This is duck. We've got some meatballs there and some beef. And more duck as well. This is southern Thai food. Right, that's all we're going to do. We're going to go ahead straight over that way and get something to drink. Okay, so here's a little money saving tip for you. Instead of going in there to buy a drink, go in here instead. It's a lot cheaper. Okay, and that's about it, guys. What I'll do, I'll catch you on the next video. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and adios.